How to install the Hulu app on an iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Hulu app on your iPhone so you can start watching shows from Hulu on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do to install Hulu is open up the App Store. We could easily do that by swiping from right to left from our home screen until we see App Library. Go ahead and select the search box at the top and just type App. And you'll see App Store come up. Select the App Store. And once the App Store opens, in the bottom menu, select Search, and then just tap the search box at the top and type Hulu. Go ahead and search Hulu. You should see the Hulu Stream TV and Shows app come up. Go ahead and select that. And then where mine has a cloud icon, it may say Get for you. That just means you haven't downloaded Hulu before on an iPhone. So either select Get or the cloud icon. It may ask you for your Apple ID password or Face ID to verify your identity before installing an app on your phone. So go through that process. But once it says open, that means it's installed. Go ahead and select that. It'll open up the Hulu app on our iPhone. And now all we need to do is select login and then log in with either your TV provider or Hulu. So I'm going to log in with Hulu. Once you get signed in, select your accounts. And then from there, you can start enjoying Hulu shows, movies, anything like that. If you want to see any downloads, at the bottom, you'll have a couple of menus. You could search through content, see your profile. And if you go to downloads, you'll be able to see any content that you've downloaded. So if I open up a show next to an episode here, I could select the little download icon, and that will download that episode or movie to my phone, where all I have to do is then go to the download section, and I'll be able to see that content there and use it offline without using my data. All right, so that's how you install the Hulu app on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.